Hello, good evening, everyone. It's Gabriel Emeka here, and I am so excited in this video. And I'm going to show you how to target rich people who have money to spend on Facebook. I hope you're excited as I am. Now, no matter what you sell, whatever product you sell, be it physical product, digital products, services, whatever it is you sell, okay? Now, you need people who are able to buy or purchase or patronize your business and give you money for it. All right. So now in this video, I'll be showing you how to target people who have money on WhatsApp. Okay. So let's go into the business. Let's go into the tutorial fully right now. Okay. You must all have already had your flyer and your video or your flyer or your video, whatever image you want to use to run the campaign, and you already have your copy written down, and your copy has to be engaging, has to be attractive, has to be attention grabbing. So you must already have your flyer and your copy ready to run your art, and you must have already um, mapped out your customer avatar. And what is your customer avatar? This describes your customer in detail. Where do they live? Where do they stay? As in, what do they do? What kind of business do they do? Are they business people? Are they corporate people? Where do they spend their money? Where do they go to spend their have their leisure? Where do they relax? You understand everything about them. What interests them? What things do they spend their money on? So these are the things you would need to sit down and write out. So without wasting much time, let's go into the business of the day. As I said before, my name is Gabriel Emeka. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the traffic objective. Okay. So you click on traffic and then you come and name your campaign. Now there are three levels to an advert. There's the campaign levels, there's the ad set level, there's the ad level. So the campaign level, you can name it whatever you want to name it. I'll name this test tutorial, campaign, test tutorial, ad set, test tutorial, test tutorial, then the ad level, test tutorial too. Now, click on continue. In the previous video, I already showed you how you would get to your ads manager, even if you're using a mobile phone. Okay, now we are here now. So you scroll down. Now you see categories here now. Now, if you're into real estate or you want to run a political ad or you want to run any ad relating to loans, credit, others, come here and click your category. If you're clicking on employment, if you want to, your ad is on about employment, you should come here and click on the category. If you're into real estate, housing is your category. So if you click on housing, now everything Facebook will be showing you, the features they will be showing you will be related and customized for housing projects, for housing, for real estate. So those are the kind of features they will make available to you. So that's why they have this option or feature for housing. So now buying type is auction. Remember, I don't know if you know what auction ad is. Auction is, let's say for example, now this PC I'm working on is 5,000 naira, for example. Now the PC is 5,000 naira. Okay, if it's in an auction sale, somebody comes in and say, okay, the person who is selling will say, okay, the starting price is 5,000 naira. Now somebody else will say, I'll pay 6,000, and that person will say, I'll pay 6,500. Someone else will say, I'll pay 7,000. Someone will say 7,500. Now, if at 7,500, no other person is outbidding the guy who is saying he wants to sell at 7,500. Now, the PC is going to be sold at 7,500, right? Yes. So when the PC is sold at 7,500, you say the auction, that piece of item has been sold. So that's what Facebook does. When you want to run an ad now, your interest, after picking out your interest, okay, now daily budgets are different. Someone will run a daily budget of 1,000 naira, and that person will run a daily budget of 1,000 naira or say 5,000 naira. So now when these two budgets place their ad for those interests, Facebook is going to favor the guy who is running his ad with 5,000 naira more, because at the end of the day, Facebook is making more money from the 5,000 naira guy than the 1,000 naira guy. So you will notice the 5,000 naira guy, his cost per lead is cheaper than the guy who is running his ads for 1,000 naira. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So let's go ahead. Now the campaign objective is traffic. You don't need to touch anything here. Then you click on next. You click on next. Now the traffic, where are you sending your traffic to? Is it a website? Is it a landing page? Is it a squeeze page? Is it a sales page? You choose the website option. Is it an app? Is it a messenger? Is it WhatsApp? Do you want them to call you, call your business? This will be your object. This will be your destination. This is the destination you pick. So let's go further. Now you're optimizing for what's your optimization? Are you optimizing for link clicks or landing page? Now let me explain something here. If you're using a website, optimize for landing page views. And why is that? Because when you optimize for only link clicks, anybody who clicks on your ad and doesn't land on your website, Facebook will record it as an event has taken place already and will record it as one click. But if someone clicks on your link and doesn't land on your landing page or on your sales page, Facebook will not record it because the person did not land it. So if you optimize for landing page views, unless the person who clicks on your ad lands on your landing page, Facebook would not record it as an event that has taken place. Hope you understand. So now let me go to the next one, which is your budget. Now, depending if you just want to run an engagement ad, or you just want to boost your post, or you just want to promote your page for more likes, to optimize your page if it is a new one, your budget can be as low as $1 a day, which is about 415 naira. But if you want to do something serious, the lowest budget you should go for is 1,000 naira. Okay. Start date. If you want your ad to run for like 4 days, come here, impute the 4 days. But if you just want something that you'll just be funding in the ad, just funding, let it run. Don't put the end date. So now this is the juice of the whole thing. Now let me show you something here. Now in this tutorial, like I told you, is to target people who have money. First thing you need to do is come here, click on people living in this location. Okay, people who are living there currently as at the time you're running your ad. All right. Now let's say, for example, now, remember, in every location, in every country, in every state, there are specific locations in that state where rich people live in. You can say, okay, this particular area, this is an area for rich people. Okay, it's rich people that live in that area. In Lagos, you can say it's the Banana Island, VGC, VI, Lekki. You understand what I'm trying to say? In Port Harcourt, you can say it's the GRA area. So now you already have these places in mind now, right? So what would you do here now in Nigeria? So what you do now is, let's say for example, your target is Lagos. Okay, you want to target the rich folks in Lagos. What would you do? You come here now, you type in Lagos, type Lagos, right? Okay, Lagos, Nigeria. You put that one down. Okay, what are the most expensive locations in Lagos? You come here. I already searched this out on Facebook, on Google. You type in most expensive locations in Nigeria. Now you see them. We have Eco Atlantic, we have Banana Island, we have the Lekki, we have Victoria Island, we have Ikeja GRA. So what would you do? You come back to your ad here, to your ad set here, your locations. You put in Eco Atlantic, Eco Atlantic. We have that. Okay, yeah, we do. Eco Atlantic. So you come to the kilometer, you increase it to 80. Now, yeah, we increase it to 80. Now we come here to what else? What do we have here? Banana Island. We come back here, we type in Banana Island. Banana Island. Yes, we have that. What's the next one? Lekki. Okay. Come here, Lekki. Oh yeah, we do. Let's go to the next one. Victoria Island. Victoria Island. Victoria Island. So we click on Victoria Island. Let me type in the island. Victoria Island, Lagos. Yes. So you understand what I'm trying to do here. So let's say you want to target specific states now. Maybe you want to target Lagos. You want to target Abuja. You want to target um, Port Harcourt. You want to target any state you want to target. Okay, there must be expensive areas in that state. So if you don't really know them, Google is your friend. You can just go on Google and type in most expensive areas or the most expensive locations in that particular state. All right, and Google is going to give you your answer, and you now come in here and impute them. All right, now after imputing them, what next? This is what you do. The age range of the people you want to target, be it from say target for example 25 to 45 to 45, 25 to 45, 25 to 45. Now after targeting that, you now come the agenda, depending on what you sell too. Is your target just men? Is your target just women? Or is both men and women? If it's both men and women, you click on all. Then now demographics, interest, behaviors. Now let me tell you something here. You want to target people who have money. What do they like spending their money on? What kind of car do they use? Do you understand? Are you getting what I'm trying to say here? Now, after the places, the locations we impute, okay, our audience size is 3.6 million. See audience size here to 4.3 million. All right. Okay. Now, interest. What would your interest be? We can say, okay, we want to target people who like luxury goods. People who like luxury goods, for example. Now, this is one. Hold on, I'm going to show you something. Luxury goods. We click on that. Okay. Expensive taste. Expensive taste. Expensive taste. Expensive taste. Now, you want to target people who like expensive, who has expensive taste. Now, target people who have expensive taste. You can also target them using their job titles. You can say CEO, owner, and CEO, owner and CEO. You can target them. You can target managing directors. You can target um, supervisors, you can target managers, you can target accountants, whatever job title your 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 the product you're offering or you're trying to sell would serve, whatever job title the your customer avatar has, impute them here and see if Facebook has it. If Facebook has it, you click on it, you add it. So now, after adding up all these interests, okay, now I can decide, okay, what kind of car do they use? I can decide and say, okay, these rich folks, okay, I want to target, okay, let's say you understand expensive taste, luxury goods. You can target frequent travelers, frequent travelers. You see them, frequent travelers. You know, say anybody where they travel frequently with plane or flight is the person get money, or they try. You understand? The person they try, she grab. Now, also, you can say first class travel, first class travel, first class travel. Click on first class travel. Now you can target. Now there's something I tell people to do. Oh no, don't worry. I'll share that to my premium, to my premium students. Okay, that's for my premium students. It's for my premium students. I'm going to share that to people who would join my premium class. All right. There's something I wanted to say now, but no. I won't give you out. I won't give this out to you guys. I'll give it to my premium students. So if you want to be in my premium class, you can join that. You can join. I'll give more information later on about that. So, first class travel, you can target business class, business class. Now, business class, you can target. Okay, let me stop here for now. So, just be creative with your interest. Okay, people who travel with business class, first class, specific. No, okay, let me not go there. Let me not go there. Now, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So now you can now even target people who use specific models of specific cars. For example, now I want to target people who live in these locations, people who lives in these locations who drive Mercedes Benz. All right. Okay. Let me do it this way. Let me do it this way. You've already impute your interest, right? You impute your interest. Now, the interest is 3.2 million people to 3.8 million people, right? Okay, now in these 3.2 million people, you want to target only people who use Mercedes Benz. Now, what will you do? You come here, you narrow audience. This box drops down. You put in Mercedes Benz. Mercedes Benz. Okay, here we have it. Mercedes Benz. Remember, we have 3.2 million people earlier. Do you see it has reduced to 516,900 people? Only this set of people among the 3.20 million people use Mercedes Benz. Now, instead of just typing in Mercedes Benz, if you can decide to target specific Benz classes or Benz model. Okay, we have let's say we want to target specific Benz model now. You can even target specific car brands. Audi is there, Porsche is there, BMW, Range Rover, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Lexus. I mean, just be creative. I mean, be creative. See, in these people now, I can decide to target. I want to target only people who use Lexus, or only people who use the Maserati, or only people who use Land Rover, or only people who use Range Rover. You understand? This. Oh, are you guys feeling this thing? See, my premium students. I'm going to blow their minds. I'm going to share them secrets. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg I'm giving you guys. Now, my premium students, see, we are going to squeeze. You know when you wash clothes, and then you squeeze it, and the water you squeeze it, and then the water continue to drop till it dry. This is how we're going to squeeze Facebook ads. This is how I'm going to teach them how to squeeze Facebook ads and make money from Facebook. See, Facebook ads work, but do you know how to make it work? So now, okay, let me use some Mercedes Benz cars, specific cars, for example. Now, see the Mercedes Benz, the Mercedes AMG. If you know an AMG, you know that that car is a beast. You can see the Mercedes Benz G Class. This is a G Wagon. Oh God. You can see Mercedes Benz SL Class. Oh, you can see. Oh my. Okay. Let me put myself together. Let me not spill secrets here. I'm just showing you people a bit of it. Okay. Now, see. You just need to be creative with your interest. You just need to be creative with your targeting. If you are an affiliate marketer, don't target the same people every other person is targeting. Because if you target the same set of people everyone is targeting, you will not make money. You would not. So, calm down. Now, so I can just show you guys this thing, okay? And we move on. So now you can do this for any brand of car you want. Okay, let me remove Mercedes Benz. Let me impute Lexus. Lexus. What's our Lexus? You see, Lexus RX, IS, LX, NX. I mean, different Lexus brand. What's the size for Lexus? 298,000. You see. Oh, my head is blowing up right now. So I'm trying to put myself together so I don't spill secrets I'm not supposed to. And then, so be creative with your interest. Whatever you sell, is it are you an affiliate marketer? Do you sell real estate products? You can see that this should be your target interest. People have money. Now, now to placement. See, Facebook will tell you automatic placement is what is recommended because they want you to spend their money, your money. Facebook makes most of their money from adverts. Now, click on manual interest. Except you're running ads to both Facebook and Instagram, you should not check this Instagram box. Uncheck the Instagram box. But if you're selling, if your ad is also going to be on Instagram, it's fine. You leave it checked, but uncheck it if you're not doing that. So for the purpose of this training, I'm unchecking the Instagram. I'm using only Facebook. Now, uncheck every other place that's not necessary. Every other one that is not necessary. Okay. Every other place that's not necessary. Just leave only the Facebook news feed. Just leave only Facebook news feed because that's where most people are on, right? That's where most people are on the news feed. Except you're using video ad. If you're using a video for your ad, You can leave in video feeds. You can leave in Instagram story. You can use stories and reels for Instagram, Facebook stories, and the rest. So, but if you're not using a video, just leave only the news feed. Okay, you will not spend much. Remember our estimated audience size earlier was 3.2 million people, but now it has reduced to 3 million, so 3.5 million. So now we go to the next phase, next one. You people feeling the hotness in here? Are you feeling the fire? I'm on fire. So now we go to the next one, which is where you put in your flyer or your video and then your copy. So now here, this is where you put in your, if you're using one video or one image for your ad, you click on single image or video. But if you're using a carousel, that's you have like 5 pictures you want to use or 2 videos you want to use, you click on carousel. Carousel, those ads you see where you can swipe the ad and you see different images. That's carousel ad. Now let's go to the next one. Now you click on add image. This is where you add your image or your video. If it is image, you click on image. If it is video, you click on video. You click on add image on your PC or on your mobile phone and you click on upload. And then the box where you can you can just click on it, select it and click on open. Click on open and it will open and the image will be uploaded here. Then you click on the image and you click next. All right. So then here you impute your copy. You impute your copy here, and then your headline. Your headline has to be very catchy, something that is catchy. And then you input your website URL, your landing page URL, or squeeze page or sales page. You impute it here, and then now, okay, let me show you here. Now, this is your call to action. Your call to action button is learn more, order now, get access, depending on what you're selling. All right. Now there are about 3 of them that has been proven to convert more or make people click or interact with your ad more. That is the learn more button, order now, get access. The other one is there's one other one, get access, order now, learn more, sign up, the sign up button. I don't think, okay, yes, it's here, sign up button. So if you're a subscription based business or you're a salon that's trying to run ad, you can use the book now button and all that. So learn more, sign up, order now, get access. These buttons have proven to really make people interact with your ad. And after all this, you click on the publish button and your ad will be placed for review. And if it passes the whole policy checks, Facebook will let it run. So in the next video, I'll be showing you other things. So this is where I'll be ending the video for now. Gracias. Don't forget, I'm Gabriel Emeka. It's a pleasure having you here.